Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sister with me.
Hello.
And so we're gonna be doing a challenge. It's a 20 minutes challenge that I saw Desi Perkins do and Carly
Bible.
Yes. Do each other's makeup at the same time and we time it 20 minutes. It has to be good because I'm going out afterwards, so whatever it looks like, I'm gonna go outside.
It's not going to be good.
We have our makeup like put on the bed already, so everything is laid out so we don't go like looking around for it.
Yeah. So time is ready. I'm just gonna press start and we're gonna start.
Start?
Yes.
20 minutes. Okay.
Foundation.
So concealer.
Oh, you didn't give me
Primer.
a primer. You didn't give me a primer.
Yeah, guys, I ran out of primers, so
yeah.
I don't use primers.
We don't got time. Okay, I'm starting though.
It's not fair because I have to wait for the primer to dry.
You're too much. I'm not going in there. This is so weird.
Let me close my mouth it. What the heck? Okay. Jeez.
You should have pulled your hair off.
Huh? Pulled it back?
It's fine anyways.
Okay. Okay. Allow me to pick up something at least.
I'm trying to win.
I have to shake it up a bit.
This foundation one. Hoto. Thank you. Close your eyes.
How can I come and act? Oh, UCC.
So?
You're cheating.
I don't. Do you know what? The ones I've watched. Hold on. Why am I talking on the camera? The ones that I've watched, people will literally wait for each other to put the stuff on their faces. I don't have the time or space. Wow. Wow. Oh, you're actually boxing my face. There's makeup, and then you know when someone says I'm getting my face beat.
Because you're already ahead, so let me.
Ahead, so don't come and box me with foundation.
I think so far I'm doing good though. Put your head down there.
No, because I'm trying to see your face. Imagine. Shut. I'm tired. I'm done. It's okay. God, how am I going to do this? She hasn't done her brows.
Yeah, guys, I haven't done my eyebrows since November, so good luck.
Finished.
Good luck.
Oh! How was I not supposed to do this? How's anyone supposed to do this part? Wait. Right there. Oh. Wow. This is throwing me off. Whatever you're doing to my face is throwing me off. I can't see. I can't think. Wow, God. I thought women were good at multitasking. This isn't even multitasking.
I think I'm doing good.
Wait till you get to the brows. And then you know what good is.
I just put foundation on my eyebrows. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I forgot. This is the worst part. This side.
No, I'm being nice.
It actually is working though.
Really?
For me, I think it is. Okay. Let me do what makes my life easy because I can't come and kill myself.
Okay.
Switch your face away.
I might as well use like my left hand at this point. I'm making sure everything is blended, unlike some people.
Last time. I tried.
It's 20 minutes. Why is this one rushing? I have time. I mean, when I'm going to work, I've mastered like 10 minutes makeup, I think. I like to think.
I don't know anyone that uses this anymore.
Oh, eyebrows. Where's your eyebrow brush?
Oh, that's the brush. That's the.
Okay.
It's just so soft. It's different when you're putting it on somebody else. You can continue doing your thing.
Oh.
We actually a nice person. I don't even think I put one. What did you do?
Wait. Oopsie.
Crystal. Oh, I didn't even outline the brows. Imagine. It's okay. Let's go. We'll continue. We move.
Ow.
We move. Guys.
Stop moving!
No,
Oh my gosh. Your eyebrows everywhere.
I just need people to understand that I'm not the best at makeup. So. Why do I think I'm doing something when I'm really not?
I think I'll leave your eyebrows.
Just do every part. Are you okay?
I'll just shade it in, but
No, do you know what happens? On this eye, I drew a random line going somewhere. Thank you.
Okay.
I can use it to contour, can't I?
I don't know if
You don't contour.
No, I don't
It's not dark
contour.
enough actually. I don't move so I can move.
Okay.
What do I use to blend out concealer? This.
Beauty blender.
See, the thing is, I don't use a beauty blender. I don't know how to use a beauty blender.
Oh my god.
I don't even think I put, at this point, I don't know if I put foundation on your face.
I
I really don't think I did.
A little bit.
Like literally one pump.
No, I can't do anyone's eyebrows.
I don't think anyone can do anyone's eyebrows. I think this is where we end the video because
Well, that's a lot. So I was...
Why did I think this would be a good idea? Why did we both think? Why did we think this would be a good idea?
Was bright. Okay, go.
Sauce.
Just poking me in my eye at this point. Oh my god. You have a crooked nose. It's not me. It is not me. I'm not doing this straight.
Oh yeah, best thing.
Okay. Isn't that way to put it?
Sauce.
Oh Lord. One eye at this point. You know, I can't see.
I'm trying. No, okay, go. No, because I'm trying to blend as best as I can. Oh, you're blending.
I think we're going to do terribly.
Especially me. God have mercy.
Oh god.
Please, sir.
Okay. So everyone can see my good work.
Do you know what? I think I'm blending it good.
Yeah. I mean, I can't tell because of the lighting.
The lighting makes it look like we're doing something,
Yeah.
but Lord, if you're sat opposite me,
I have to get in there.
you'll put concealer.
Quick. Okay.
Because like we're now at the same point now.
I don't know. You know when you're like, I don't know what comes next. What comes next?
Set it, but I'm using your setting powder, so it's
That's cheating. Which one? Listen.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. That's okay.
Listen, me now can't see.
Good.
No.
Oh, this is bad.
I missed it.
Oh!
Sorry.
It's okay. Concealer, blind me, please. Blind me. It's okay. It's not like I'm not blind enough.
Oh gosh.
Why did I think this would be a good idea? No, let me see what I've done to your face.
Hold on, let me just set. Cause
Get my smile lines.
she has like smile lines. I have to like set them.
Where's the part I beg? Is it this part? Wait, I need to expose your favorite YouTuber to you. This is what the girl gave me. Can anyone see it?
Is this the powder?
Yeah, brush.
Can I take?
Can you take that?
Oh, it's fine.
Hmm?
See?
Do you know what? At this point, I don't feel anything you're doing to me.
Damn.
I'm just trying to do my best.
If you want to hire me for any like makeup parties, bridal shower and that, hit me up.
Sorry.
I think
what's next? Fact about me, I don't know.
so,
I don't understand eyeshadow, lashes. I don't understand none of those things.
I have to help her out because, you know, I'm not, I want to look my best.
You're going to take this off today, or? Yeah, you can use the same.
Yeah, that's it.
This
is it raining?
So weird.
Oh my god, it feels weird touching my
eyebrow. It is. I mean, I touch mine all the time when I do my contacts, but it's different. Okay, I'm done. It's okay. I tried.
Okay, let's see.
No, but my routine is easy. Plus, I have lashes on.
I already look good.
Just a light in or.
Let's do the Kim K 3.
Oh, you okay?
1.
God, that's a deep looking nice one.
2. Because obviously my sister has like high cheekbones, so I'm not trying to do what do you call this, contour. I'm just using the CoverGirl, you know. Oh, I care.
My minimal effort of what's it called? I'm about to do some shimmer
blush.
Because why the hell not? Come on.
What is this blush?
It's basically finished. It's MAC Fever or somebody. I have.
I can't see anything. I can see your palm. Like,
I'm trying to.
Oh no. Yeah.
Give me. Really God knows. Blush you. I mean, not blush, but.
I'm very sure I skipped a lot of parts.
How are we here talking?
Oh my lords. Cause you are gold.
No, I can't do this. I really can't do this.
Wow.
I think the challenge is how bad can she do makeup. That's what you should have called this challenge, because I am failing my generation.
Wow!
Sorry!
Wow! Wow.
I'm using my left hand. I can only do as best as I can though. Just no lip liner. Wait. 1 minute and 57.
1 minute.
You didn't give me highlighter. Oh, there you did. Highlight brush, highlight. Okay. Christ.
We're actually terrible. I feel like this is my first time doing makeup on someone.
So you think you're doing a good job?
I did terrible.
Okay.
It's not bad.
I feel like there's something I'm missing. What am I missing?
Girl, can you turn this way? Oh, you look good.
Push your eyes over.
Oh.
Why does this come out like that?
I need to get a new one.
Your favorite YouTuber is a fraud.
Oh my
nothing.
God.
She has nothing in this room. I bet close your eyes.
Hey.
It was like bullets of setting spray hit in your face. I think we did good. I think we did. I mean,
5, 4, 3, 2, ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.
okay.
Time for the close-up, and
Go
tell
first.
me guys. So
I am ashamed. I am actually ashamed. Yes, it's a shame. It's a shame. Go and show your face. Show them. Show them what I did. The thing I'm least proud of, because one thing that I pride myself on in makeup is eyeliner. I do a great wing liner. God, look at this mess. That's the thing I'm most ashamed of. Out of everything, that's the one thing I'm ashamed of the most.
how? I was so happy to get my sister to do my liner because she's so amazing at them. And why? Like,
hold on, okay, this eye is not too bad. No guys, I promise you, I know how to do wing liner. I know how to do something.
Explain the highlighter and the powder and
do you know what, in the beginning I think I said this, I didn't put enough foundation, so then that's why the concealer looks like a lot, because you know I was running to I don't know where.
Show yours.
Explain yourself first. You actually feel brave enough about yours?
Personally, I like it.
It's not too bad.
Excuse me, look at your cheekbones popping. Look at you feeling yourself.
I'm
look
not.
at her feeling herself.
I'm not, because I can't tell the difference. I don't. Wait, let me get a mirror. Do you have a mirror in this room?
Yes, I do. What do you think?
Do you know what? The eyeshadow
bangs.
The eyeshadow is nice. I like it. Teach me.
One color swipe.
Do you know what? The actual complexion is not too bad. My nose highlight is mad.
Look at how whenever like you move, you look.
Do you know what? No. If you saw me in person, no, good. No, if you saw me in person, there's a strip of highlight. You would ask me, "Madam, are you okay? Is everything well?"
You didn't even try with my lipstick.
I tried, child.
Why? Why is it here? You know, I feel like, you know when you tell people, oh, take pictures of me, and you take pictures of them all nice and stuff. This is exactly how it is. Who do you guys think did a better job, me or my sister?
It's okay. It's okay. I know I did a trash job. It's okay. It's okay. Don't.
You actually look like you're ready to go out. You guys should try it with your friends as well, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.